a GE dryer, washer, and your button broke inside of itself, and when you push it, it's not doing anything. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that. What a piece of crap. I had the dryer and the washer. You could see I got rid of the old GE washer because the button kept breaking, because I got sick of opening it and fixing it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it, because in order to get this part, you have to order this whole part, which is gonna cost you about $150, $200 just to get that, which is a bunch of crap. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that quick and easy. I've done it about 10 times. Okay, so what you're gonna do, the first things first, there's 2 screws, and I got one hand, so bear with me guys while I'm recording this for you guys. There is 1 screw in here with a Phillips screwdriver, and you're gonna take a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew that. Once you remove that screw, you're gonna pop this thing off right here. When you pop that out, there's a hidden screw right in there. And once you get that off, then you're almost home free. All you have to do is lift this. You're now lifting up. So when you push this up and wobble it from the left side and the right side, because it's actually on these what look like screws right there, you're gonna slide it up and it's gonna pull up. You're gonna flip it back. And when you flip it back, there's gonna be this plug that is plugged in. Let me put this out of the way right here. It's plugged in right here to this motherboard, this is attached to that. So all you're gonna do is squeeze this. You see how that squeezes? It's a little clip. Squeeze it and pull it out, and it will pull out. Once you disconnect that, this thing right here is attached to this with a bunch of screws, which I've already unscrewed for you, which these are all the screws, you'll see them, that are connecting this. Then you'll be able to remove this piece. So once you have that piece removed, and this is not your fault that the button broke, it's just bad engineering. So don't blame your wife, guys, when you're fixing this. It is not her fault, and if you already did, go apologize. All right, I'm gonna show you guys this button, and look how they've connected these buttons. I colored them red right there so you can see the exact point of contact. That little tiny 2 spots of plastic is the only thing holding that to this. Where's that button at? Oh, down here. And every other button will break on you. It's ridiculous. But just most commonly will the start button or the power button break on you, because that's the button they hit the most. Okay, so again, those little red things are the only point of contact. And you could see what I did. All I did is put some crazy glue on the opposite side where this red thing is. And don't do it all over the place. Only put it on that entire bar if you want to do that, just to be safe. And I flipped it over. That's the same button, because you could see it broke before. And I had a warranty on it before, but now I do not anymore. But the only thing you can do to protect yourself in the future is don't buy GE. That's all I can tell you. What a bunch of crap. I'll tell you, I won't do it again. This thing literally broke like 10 times while I had the warranty. Warranty expired, now I'm fixing it myself. Okay, so when you push this button, why is this piece right here that pushes the button on the inside not in the center? It's way up here. So when you push the button, you gotta push it extra hard, and of course that's gonna end up cracking. And that's why I tell you that's bad engineering. This piece right here that pushes on the opposite side of this circuit board, wherever it is, right here probably, or somewhere wherever it's at. Oh, it's over here. Why isn't that thing designed and engineered to be in the center so it doesn't break? Probably it's designed so it can break. What a bunch of crap. I hope somebody from GE sees this, one of the engineers, and goes and fixes that damn problem if they haven't already done it before or already. All right, so anyways, crazy glue that. Like you see, I crazy glued it, and just hold it in place. And once that's glued, now your button is fixed. And when you push it, you can see I'm pushing it and it's not breaking. I probably, just the crazy glue amount that I put on there on the back side of that is way better than it was when it was designed. I don't know if they riveted it with plastic, hot glue, or whatever the heck they did. What a bunch of crap. 2 little tiny spots is what they've done. Anyways, once you fix that, you're good. You can screw this all back together the way it came out. It's not hard. 1 out of 10, I would place this probably at like a 3 on a fix, as long as you listen to what I told you on unscrewing. And that's the center screw that's holding right near behind this thing. That's where that screw is. It's just holding that in here. I think it's this long screw right here that came out of there. So that one's holding that in place, and the one on the back side, which I showed you, and then you just slide it up again. And that's it. So go ahead and fix your broken button and give me a thumbs up. And thanks for watching. That's how you get in and out of here and fix that darn thing. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Bye.